important. Some of the things that you can write off, if you are traveling as a business owner and you want to write those off, great. Say you have some travel and it's you doing business as well as personal time. The personal time, you know that you cannot write that off. If you are gone for 5 days, your business is 3 days, your personal is 2, then you do an allocation. You do 3 days that you're writing off for the business and the rest is not. You can write off the meals. You can write off the lodging. You can write off the Uber. All of those things, that the expenses that you incur when you're on that trip, you can definitely write off. Say you have uniforms. You can write off uniforms. This question has been asked of me a couple of times this tax season alone. The definition of a uniform is not this outfit that I have on. I'm at work, but this is not my uniform. A uniform has a logo on there. It has something that defines or identifies you as an employee of White Tax Services or My Financial Home. That is a uniform. A uniform is something that you would not wear to church, you would not wear to a social event or anything like that. Now, there are organizations out there such as Mary Kay, which I can think off the top of my head. Those women wear uniforms. Yes, those uniforms can be worn to other events because they're business suits. But I know for a fact there's a tag in those suits that say Mary Kay. So they're defined as a uniform. So the cleaning, your cleaning bill where you take them to the cleaners, all of those things you can write off. Your automobiles. You can write off your automobile. You're either going to use your mileage or you're going to use your actual expenditures. I'm not going to go into full detail, but just know you can look it up. You're either going to track your mileage or you're going to write off your actual expenditures. If you lease your vehicle, then you cannot write off the mileage. You can only write off actual expenditures. So if you lease the car, then you cannot write off the miles. Why? Think about it. Because when you lease that car, you can only drive a certain amount of miles. And if you go over, then you pay when you turn that lease in. Okay. But if you are writing off your your automobile, make sure you're tracking that. Make sure you have an auto log and you're tracking it, because that is the first thing that the IRS will ask you if you're ever audited. Make sure you bring your auto log. Don't cheat, because the other way that the IRS can find out, they will ask for your receipts. You took your car in for repairs at the beginning of the year, they want to see that.
They say, let me see.
Right, it has the mileage on there. You took your car in December, it has the mileage on there. Take the N plus this, subtract, we know how many miles you drove. In California, we have small checks. They track our miles. It's uploaded to the Department of DMV. They can find out these things. So don't try to get over on the IRS, you guys.
Oh, no.
Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it. But those are just some of the things. Make sure, for those of you that are doing, your personal return, make sure your tithings, your contributions, all those things you're tracking, make sure that you donate that bag of clothes to Goodwill, Salvation Army, so that you can write these things off at tax season. And again, just make sure you keep accurate documentation.
All right, so
real quick, that was a real quick overview.
No, that was good, because I think I believe more people should be educated, whether you can get tax write-offs or you cannot. You should position yourself to at least learn what it's about. So I thought that was great. What gets you excited, Dr. Cozette? Like, what is something that you do that we probably wouldn't even fathom that you do for fun?
Well, if you know me, you know I love to travel.
Okay.
I love to travel. I love traveling out of the country. I love going to sporting events. And of course, I love reading, and I love spending time with my family. So those are the main things. You can catch me on a plane at any time besides business, going somewhere, doing something.
Okay. Do you dance?
Oh, yeah, I love to dance.
Okay. What's your favorite dance?
You know what? Wait, I'm going to say I love to dance, but I am not good with names. And I love music as well, but I may not know the name of the song. But you know what? If it got a beat, I'm going.
Do you know how to dab?
Yes.
Can we see you dab?
No. No, you're not. Not on
Hey. Oh! Well, we just saw Dr. Cozette.
Oh.
You just did it a little bit. That's
Oh
good.
my goodness. Yeah, you got me.
All right. So now.